Okay, at this time I'm going to talk about our Midewiwin ceremonies. A lot of that has not been talked about over the years. The people that raised me were both through the Mide Lodge. And I can remember all those years of living with them, they never once discussed or talked about the Midewiwin ceremony. It just was, I don't know if it was because of oppression that they didn't talk about it, but maybe it's for the best, people that go through this ceremony, it's something new to them, it's never been brought out for them, so it's kind of like a new experience for them when they go through the Mide ceremony. And I'm just going to cover a little on how this ceremony came about. Way back, our Anishinaabe people were really pitiful. They were really hurting. It was almost like they were going through depression. They weren't able to take care of themselves. And the Creator, the head Manitou, realized that and came back and told the Anishinaabe that he was going to help them. And that's when he called on some Manitou to come and help the people. And that's when those Manitou showed up and they brought this ceremony to our Anishinaabe people from the East Coast and traveled and set up those Mide lodges wherever they saw our people living, to the point that they got here in Minnesota. So that's why we have our Mide lodges, our Mide ceremonies. And the reason that people go through this particular ceremony is usually they have been told to do so. Usually if they find a migas of white shells, that's a message that they should go through the lodge. Also, a lot of our people have dreams where they were told to go through the lodge, or somebody had the dream about them, or maybe they were going through some illness and somebody recommended they go to the Mide lodge. And this is why we're given that ceremony also, to help us with in the illnesses that we have. That's about all I want to say about our Midewiwin ceremony. This is what we were given as a people way back before our ceremonial drums. And we still have our lodges operating in Minnesota and in Wisconsin. Our people are still being helped through this. Migo yo.